What's my greeting again?
No, we got an ending. I like the flag there.
Nice. What's the greeting?
Hi.
Friends! I'm going to show you how to weed eat today because a lot of people don't know how to do it, or they don't know how to do it right. So let me show you the right way to weed eat so that you have a perfect looking lawn every time. So what you want to do, I always like to, when I'm making cutting the grass from the grass and the sidewalk or the curb, I always like to make it spit out. So it's going counterclockwise, and I'm pushing all the stuff, out of the edge, and I'm also edging. See, there you go. So we're cleaning all the stuff out of the edge. Then, this is for right-handed people. Left-handed is a little different, but you use the same method. You'll want to push it out of the edge. Instead of, see, some people go backwards, but then all the stuff goes back in the edge. It doesn't look too good. So if you want it to look perfect, that's how you do it. And then, once you do the edge, come back and come this way. So it's going counterclockwise. So all the stuff is coming back into your leg right here. And I always put a little angle on it. So not the whole thing is touching. It's only one like this. You want to keep it level as possible. And I always like to walk backwards. Because if you walk forward, it's going counterclockwise. You'd think it'd be the same, but it's not, because now it's pushing, because you're using that front edge. Now it's pushing everything that way, pushing it back, I guess, into the edge, and it doesn't really clean it as well. All right? And then when you're doing if you're doing this whole little section, you want to keep it level or put a little edge on it. A little angle on it. So only maybe 3/4 of the string is touching the grass. You put it all, sometimes it'll dip down and catch if it's perfectly level, and then you'll have a big little round spot. You don't want that. What do you think, Allison? Is that good instructions? No? What could I do better?
I explained the process of the counterclockwise and the.
Okay.
I don't understand.
So every weed eater is different too. Not most weed eaters different. So you see how the string is bent that way, so it turns this way. So it's going counterclockwise.
Right.
And some turn clockwise, go this way. So no matter what direction it goes, you always want to clean out your edge. You want it to
make the grass go this way. Like if you're doing this and you're edging this and you're walking backwards.
Right.
You want the grass to go that way.
No, other way.
Oh, okay. You want the grass to go that way.
Right. You want it to go. We're doing the top now. Now we're weed eating. We're coming this way, and all the grass is coming back to.
Okay, you want it to go that way.
Back away
into
from the edge.
Away from the edge, away from the
bulk
grass.
Of the grass. Yes.
Okay.
All right.
Got it.
So however you can do it, you do it that way. So if your weed eater turns the other way, you walk in a different direction. Sometimes you might have to stand on the sidewalk or the curb to get
left-handed
to achieve your your goal. Yeah, so if you're left-handed, I think sometimes you have to go like this, and I don't know. There's I think. I mean, if you're left-handed, there's different ways of holding it, but holding the weed eater, but you want to achieve the same thing.
Right.
You always want to clean your edge out. So make
it go into the grass that way.
And make the string clean your edge out, and you also want to make the grass go back into when you're doing.
Let's see. I'm left-handed.
Yeah.
And every time we do Grandma's lawn, and Matthew brings his weed eater, I always try to do it, and then it's so like awkward with the thing, and because it's like.
But you'll get
you never know how to hold it.
You'll get the hang of it. Just remember those things. You all want to clean out your edge.
Right.
And you want to, when you're doing the weed eating part, you always want to bring it back into the grass.
Right.
All right, let's try it. Always wear eye protection. Always wear eye protection and ear protection. Safety first. Gloves I don't usually wear because it's kind of hard to. Sometimes I wear them. If I'm using it all day, I'll wear gloves because you'll get a blister. All right. Oh no! that's how you do it. See how I noticed? You noticed I was just doing a little bit like that. It was just taking a little bit off the top. And if it's too long still, you can go back over it. Don't try to get it all at one time if the grass is long. Just do the tops and then come back and do another, say, inch off the top or half an inch. Listen to your motor when you're doing it. If it's really bogging down, just bring it up a little bit. Do a little bit higher so it takes off a little bit less. Listen to your engine and it'll tell you that you're working it too hard or not. But you always want it to be spinning fast, the string. But sometimes you won't need to put so much gas into it because it'll still be spinning fast if there's not much grass to like this part. So you don't need to be full throttle right here. There's nothing to, it's a low spot. So you don't need to. We did. What do you think, Allison? Good? Wanna do another one? You wanna do another one? She doesn't want to do another, but we're gonna do another one. I'll do it in, I usually take my time, but sometimes I can do it faster. So you see the difference between one and that one's done, this one's not done. All right, let's see. You also want to keep your string. Notice I keep it, what, that's about a foot, maybe 8 inches.
That's not a foot.
And this is a powerful weed eater, so I keep it a little bit longer because it can handle, because if your string's too long, the motor won't turn it as fast. So you always want it to be spinning fast. So whatever your engine can handle is how long you want your string. But that's what I keep mine at, usually right around there. It's perfect. What else? I use the Shindawa. I like Echo. They have some good. I usually like the straight shaft. They have bent shaft ones too, but if you want a better cut, the straight shaft is the way to go. What else?
Do you prefer gas or electric?
Ooh, I haven't used those new electric or the battery powered ones. I want to try one of those.
Matthew has one.
Yeah, but I like the gas because if you have a big area to do, you're gonna need the gas.
Yeah.
I feel like I'm in a marching band. I've never been in a marching band, but
Mom
'Cause you're always
has.
like, you kind of shuffle your feet when you're walking.
That's not marching.
Like, working, 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 working. See?
Just ask Mom.
When you're going backwards.
Moonwalk.
You're doing the moonwalk. I really enjoy weed eating. So,
I feel like gas would be better because then you don't have to wait for your battery to charge. You can just go to the gas station and get some gas.
yes, it's 2-cycle as well. So you
Yeah.
have oil and gas mixture. And then you go, and you turn around.
You're like a baton twirler.
Yeah, that's what I am. All right. What else is that? Let's see. The string, the length.
Got that.
I think that's all I wanted to say. So yeah, practice, 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 practice. If you want to get good at weed eating
Or lawns or
and
anything.
doing edging, practice. And also take your time.
Yeah.
You saw how I took my time on the edge. If there was a piece of grass that was hard to get, I just took my time and went slow. And I also went back, and then I went again. You saw me do it over there. I went backwards the whole way when I was edging, and I went forward again. Clean it out, clean it out. Then you get the blower and you clean everything up. All right, thank you. We'll see you later, friends. And remember, if I can do it, you can do it. So let's do it together. Let's go.